Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your ramen taste better. Let's start with some simple additions that can transform your instant noodles. Adding fresh vegetables like spinach or bok choy provides nutrients and a pleasant crunch. A soft-boiled egg or some cooked chicken offers satisfying protein. Swapping the seasoning packet for a quality broth base can dramatically improve the flavor, and a sprinkle of fresh green onions adds a bright finish. The broth is the heart of your ramen, and enhancing it is key. Stirring in a spoonful of miso paste creates a rich, umami-packed base. A small dash of soy sauce or fish sauce can deepen the savory profile. For an aromatic boost, sauté some minced garlic and ginger before adding your liquid. Finally, a drizzle of toasted sesame oil right before serving adds a wonderful nutty fragrance that ties everything together. Toppings are where you can really personalize your ramen. A perfectly soft-boiled egg with its creamy yolk is a classic choice. Sliced green onions or cilantro add a fresh, sharp contrast. For those who enjoy a kick, a spoonful of crispy chili oil provides both heat and a delightful texture. Don't forget nori seaweed sheets, which bring a unique savory, oceanic flavor and a fun visual element to your bowl. For truly next-level ramen, consider these hacks. Cooking your noodles separately and adding them to the finished broth prevents them from getting soggy. Sautéing aromatics like garlic, ginger, and even some mushrooms before adding your broth builds a much deeper flavor foundation. If you're feeling adventurous, making your own dashi stock provides an authentic, delicate base. And for a final touch of richness, a small pat of butter can add incredible depth and creaminess.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.